Alright, the Spyderco Dragonfly 2. This is an awesome compact knife. Alright, this one comes in so many colors, but this particular one is Zome green. I believe I'm pronouncing that correct, with FRN handles. You can see the scales on there. Okay, angled that way. Here's the opposing scales, angled backwards. Alright. It has a metal clip. Okay. This can be repositioned on the opposing side. Okay. This has to be mentioned. Anyone who likes to carry tip down, your SOL. Alright. This is only going to be for tip up carry. Alright, so just to let you know. Okay, this particular one is G10 steel, which is average. It's not the best, it's average. I mean, it's easy to sharpen, doesn't hold an edge long, but it's good. It's good. Alright, so the length of this is pretty short. So compared to my whole my entire hand, you can see that. Alright, so the handle is longer. Alright, the most important part of this knife is the ergonomics. Okay, it's not the size, because in the size department it would lose. So many people actually just dismiss this knife immediately based on size and dimension alone. Now let me show you this close up. The jimping, the choil. Alright, your hands are not going to slip unless weak or I don't know. I'm just saying this is a good grip. Alright, I'm not sure about when you got gloves on, but alright, and depending on your hand size, some people are only going to be able to get 3 fingers. Okay, maybe if they're like super giant, it's only 2. Alright, so my pinky's trailing off on this, so an easy way to get around that is to actually, don't really need to. This is a good grip already. However, if you wanted some extra, maybe make a little paracord lanyard there. But good grip, excellent ergonomics. It's difficult to describe in a review. You really must just get one and put it in your hand. Then you'll get it. You'll get why. Hey, why is this so awesome? Oh, this is why. All right. It's not some fancy like trend. Hey, this is a cool. Well, you know, this everyone do it. No, this is the reason why. Year and year again, this is a good design, and it's probably it's my favorite Spyderco knife, and I also like the Endura, so you can kind of tell the design it just shrunk down. Okay, but I think it's good because it's excellent for those who might work in an office environment. All right, so you don't want to whip out a paramilitary every time you open up an envelope. So this is a good knife. Okay. Good materials. The size is excellent for EDC, everyday carry. Okay. Alright, just remember it's only a tip up, so keep that in mind. Alright, and it's not manufactured in the United States, so I'm not sure whether doing the manufacturing now, but only the top, like the paramilitaries, are made in America. Alright, but it doesn't matter because this is good quality. They come in so many colors. So this is the Spyderco Dragonfly 2. Don't pass it up. Okay, this is, I think it's like top 5 Spyderco of all time. Alright, many would argue the same thing. So again, give it a shot. No regrets. Alright, love and Happy New Year, guys.